Okay, this one is to show you how to draw a cat. So the first thing we're going to do is plan out where we want it to go. So my cat's a little big, but I'm going to go with it because I think he turned out pretty good. So I'm going to put mine under the tree, but you figure it out somewhere. But this cat is obviously meant to stand on the ground, so he needs to touch, his feet need to touch the black somewhere. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is kind of make two bumps. So let me show you this. Kind of like you're making a cursive M a little bit. So you're going to draw two bumps. So draw two bumps like that. And again, draw it with your pencil. Erase it if it's not right. Pause this. Take your time. Even though I'm moving on, you can pause and then catch up after you get it. So you get your two bumps in, okay? Then you're going to make a tall bump that's pretty much right underneath this right bump there. So you're going to make a tall bump right underneath it. Okay. Then pause again until you get that right. Then your next step is to make, I'm going to show you this as I draw it. Time for my high school class to get out. Okay. Kind of upside down for you guys. Maybe I can do it this way. Okay. So hopefully you can see that. Then I'm going to take this and kind of make like a candy cane hook. Okay. All right. You see that? And then I'm just going to make a little curve here right on the end, and that'll be the tail. Okay. And then I'm going to make a little bump here. That is the foot. Okay. And then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a football or an eyeball shape right over here on the end of where I made that little, that's going to be his head. Okay. And then I'm going to put two big triangles on the top of that bump, and that makes his head. And then I'm just going to make this line curve down towards the bottom like this. Kind of like, see how this kind of shape kind of makes a weird W? Okay. And then I'm going to put a little bump here like that. And that's our cat. Okay. I'm going to pause it and color.